I think the democratization term has been used for many years. You know, what's the moment when you take that phrase away? There's been massive developments, I think, in the last few years that have really meant to that implementation actually being executed. We talk a little bit about the product design of semi-liquid vehicles. I think that momentum has grown massively. I think something like 19% annualized growth rate of products coming to market since 2018, over 500 products. So the product design is evolving. I don't think we're totally there. Clearly, from an investor perspective, there are considerations like low minimum ticket size, making sure the cost base is slightly different, probably lower when it comes to really thinking about product design in this context. I think the use of technology is critical. Clearly, some of the barriers that historically existed around capital calls and distribution in a very wide pool of investors was difficult from the private wealth. We've seen evolution in that area, but I'd love to see more evolution on the user interface. I think that'd be great from a development perspective. And I think what's really important about this democratization is that regulation is coming along. You know, and that's a big impact on actually the ability to execute. So vehicles, LTIF vehicles, etc. And the regulator generally seeing that this is an important asset part of a long-term private wealth portfolio. I think historically, of course, there was a lot of concern, and there will be greater concern as the volume increases, so the allocation increases. But I think the recognition that private wealth is not necessarily a liquid asset solution. It is a long-term solution.